Today, we're talking about constructing and limiting a search in ROOsearch. First, select articles from the drop-down menu. Next, you can do a keyword search. At the top, you can see the total number of results. Because this number is so high, it means you may want to limit your search further. It's unlikely you'd want to look through over 21,000 articles to find the one that best fits your research. You can limit your search by using the choices on the left under Tweak Your Results. The first choice that I'm going to make is to choose peer-reviewed journals. Peer-reviewed means that before an article is published, it undergoes a review process to confirm that the information in the article is accurate and that the research it discusses is valid. This process adds a level of credibility that you just won't find in a magazine, a newspaper, or even Google. Next, I'm going to look at the date. You may want to limit your search to articles published in the last 5 years. Here I type in the date and click Refine. Another way to tweak my results is to choose Subject. By adding another subject, it can limit my search further. In this case, I'm going to choose knee. Now, there's 145 results, a much more manageable number. At this point, you can start scanning the articles to see if there are any that work for you. If I find an article I think I'm interested in, I can click on the title. This will bring up the article's record. I can get more information about the article, including things such as the title, the creators or authors, what journal it's part of, and a description of the article. This lets me read a little bit about it before I go and try to read the whole article. If I like what I'm reading, I can click on View Online, one of the links. I'm brought to the entire article, which I can now look through. Now you're ready to start searching for articles for your own research topic. If you have any questions, please stop by the library or use the chat option from the library homepage.